Hello! In this video, we will demonstrate improvements and additions we have made to the field linking feature in Viz Ticker 2.6. We will also show the new feed browser UX in Viz Ticker Client. The field linking feature allows the user to fill carousel data in Viz Ticker Client by selecting an item from an external source rather than typing in the values manually. In Viz Ticker 2.6, we have introduced the possibility to preview and edit those values before saving back the message. If the user should only be allowed to view, but not edit the values from the feed item, this can be restricted with a configuration in Ticker Wizard, as we will also show during the video. We have already created a scene using Vizrt. The scene contains two carousels, one showing Vizrt news items and another showing weather forecast. In this video, we will demonstrate the new field linking capabilities and the new feed browser user experience. Starting with Viz Ticker Wizard, we can see the two carousels have already been created. I will now set up field linking using On the Weather carousel. I open the Weather carousel, select the template, and right-click to select Field Linking. Click on Field Linking, select Feed, and check Use Structured Content to perform the field linking. Match data between the field names in the template and field names in the feed items will be shown in Matchbox in green. I hit Save and the field link has been set up. In Viz Ticker Client, I create a new message in the Weather carousel and then select Tokyo from the list. Here I can see the values mapped from each value from the feed item selection. With the new feed browser UX, we can select to hide detail view or show details view as we prefer by clicking the Details Show Hide toggle button. I'm satisfied with most values, but will modify the city to Tokyo Narita Airport and city temperature to 26. Now I click the Select Entry button and save the message. The new message will be added to either pool or carousel based on carousel setting in Viz Ticker Wizard. In this demonstration, it has been set to add to carousel. Once I have edited the city name, the change will be reflected on the Viz engine playout. In some cases, we may need to revert the modification back to the origin data. The Reset button will allow the user to do so. In order to do that, just open the recently created message and hit the Revert button. This is also useful if the data has been updated in the feed source. In summary, the field linking extension allows users to edit the value of the field linking data in Viz Ticker Client, as I just demonstrated. In some cases, it may be required to restrict the user from being able to make modifications to the linked data. We are able to configure the restrictions in Ticker Wizard as well. We will go back to Ticker Wizard and I will check the limited choice scope to enable the restrictions and save to apply the setting. Back to Viz Ticker Client. I open one of the messages again, and because of the field link restriction, we now see the values in Preview Read Only view, and I am now unable to make the modification. Let's take a closer look at the improved user experience in the feed browser in Viz Ticker Client. We have already seen part of it from the demonstration. The first I will show is how entries can be sorted by title or time. This makes it easier to browse if there are many entries. To perform the sorting, I open the feed browser and right-click in the list view. I will select Sort by Title. Right-click again, and now I change the order of the items to be descending. Now I get the entries Sort Descending by Title. I am also able to sort by time as well. In some cases, the feed source has changed. The feed can be refreshed either by hitting F5 or by right-clicking and choose Refresh. I can also remove the selection by clicking Deselect. With the new feed browser, we can switch the look of the entry list either List View or Grid View. Currently, it is showing in List View. I will pick Grid View to change the look. In Grid View, the items can be made larger or smaller by zoom in and out. The feed browser also allows filtering and searching in the feed items. I will perform the search by typing S into the search box, and the entries that match the search string will show up. Thank you for listening.